Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. Which two statements describe subnetting? Choose 2. Option A. It is a physical layer. OSI Layer 1. Construct. Option B. The broadcasts from subnet 172.16.1.0 are detected by subnet 172.16.2.0. Option C. Network traffic is reduced. Option D. Subnetting is equal to a broadcast domain. Option E. It is a logical local area network. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Network traffic is reduced. Option E. It is a logical local area network. Question 2. What are two reasons that video conferencing solutions developed before the 1990s were impractical? Choose 2. Option A. They had not been invented yet. Option B. They operated at a high frame rate. Option C. They operated at a high expense. Option D. They produced high-resolution image quality. Option E. They produced an unreliable image quality. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. They operated at a high expense. Option E. They produced an unreliable image quality. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.